When we hear the word tense, many people feel afraid. It looks very difficult and confusing. But actually, tense is not difficult. We make it difficult ourselves. In today's video, I will explain tense in a very simple way. We will start from the basic and then slowly go deeper. This video is for those who are learning tense for the first time, and also for those who want to revise and understand it clearly. In this video, we will learn what is tense, types of tense, why we need tense, meaning with examples, and some basic practice sentences. So, without any delay, let's jump into the topic. What is tense? Tense tells us about time. It shows when an action happens. It can be in the present, in the past, or in the future. What is present tense? Present tense is used for actions happening now. It is also used for daily habits. Example, I eat food. I go to school every day. What is past tense? Past tense is used for actions that happened before. Example, I ate food. I went to school yesterday. What is future tense? Future tense is used for actions that will happen later. Example, I will eat food. I will go to school tomorrow. Now let's understand verb forms. In tense, verbs change their form. For example, eat becomes ate. In present tense, we use the base form. Example, eat. In past tense, we use the past form. Example, ate. In future tense, we use will plus base verb. Example, will eat. Now, let's see some practice sentences. I ate ice cream yesterday. Yesterday shows past time. So we use past tense. That is why we say, ate. I eat ice cream now. Now shows present time. So we use present tense. That is why we say, eat. I will eat ice cream tomorrow. Tomorrow shows future time. So we use future tense. That is why we use will eat. I hope you understand the basics of tense. Comment yes if it is clear to you. Comment no if it is not clear. In the next video, we will learn more about tense in detail. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you don't miss my next video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.